Hi, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make a viral recipe. It's going wild for some reason. We've all been making it for years. We're going to make a one-pan egg, ham, cheese toastie. Let's show you how to do it right now. Okay, some bread. We need to butter the bread. Now I'm using decent size bread, you know, thick sliced bread. I think if you're going to make a toastie, make it with a decent slice. So we need to lather that butter on right up to the edges. Do the other slice. Hard work this. 2 eggs, splash your milk, a little bit of freshly ground black pepper. Now you can add salt to this if you want. I'm not adding salt, and then give it a whiz up. That'll do. Butter in a pan. Egg in. Bread. In. Now leave a little gap if you can, because we're going to try and turn it over. Flip over. Oh, we got a lot here. Oh, look at that. Ham on. Oh, mozzarella. Plastic cheese. And then fold over there. Oh, look at that. Oh, flip it over. Oh, look at that. Oh, flame off. And let's get that out of there. Oh, now that looks absolutely superb. Oh, look at that. Oh, a bit of the old ketchup on there. Oh, look at that. Oh, dob in here. Oh, let's give that a go. That is amazing. Oh man. If you like what we're doing, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.